This is That Tech Chick, and I'm ready to help you get started on the second part of your assignment. I've got almost all my temperatures typed into my spreadsheet, except for the last two for Timbuktu. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's see, in November it's 79 degrees, and in December it's a nice toasty 71 degrees. So you see that I've got my temperatures in the cells. My columns show the temperatures for March. My rows show the temperatures for each city. Okay? So now we're going to graph it, and we're going to do a line graph because we're going to show some change over time. For instance, for Raleigh, in January it gets pretty cold, and then it starts warming up and cools back down. So that's over a period of time. I'm seeing a trend or a change. So this is how you're going to do it. Click right there where it says city. Do you see that green line around it? That means it's selected. Hold your mouse down and come across just like this. Now I'm going to go to insert, which is just another word for to put in. And if I click on recommended charts because I want to put in a chart, it's going to tell me its top recommendation is a line chart because it's showing that trend over time. So I'm going to click on that and then say OK, and it created my chart. I can make it bigger by pulling on the handle, and when you want to make something bigger or smaller, always work diagonally, always work in this direction. If you use it from side to side, you'll either make it too wide or too narrow, or from top to bottom it'll be kind of squished looking, kind of funny looking. So always work diagonally from the corners. Okay, so when I see what I have, I've got a chart title, and I'm going to click right in there. Let's see if I can make that go away. Now, what is my chart showing me? It's showing me average, monthly temperatures. Okay. On the bottom, I have some data along the x-axis. Got some words, months of the year. And on the side, I have numbers, and that's temperature. So I need to go ahead and put that information in. So I'm going to click on the edge of my graph, click the plus sign and say, I need some axis titles. And there it is. I'm going to get right in there. I'm going to type the word months. And here's my other one. That is temperature. And now I have everything labeled. I know that Raleigh's the blue line. Paris is the orange one. Timbuktu is yellow, and Sydney is the gray one. Look at Sydney. How come it's about the opposite of all the other ones? Take a minute, see if you can't figure that one out. Okay, I'll see you soon. Our next step will be to make a bar graph. Bye.